Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Today, we are going to talk about NVL, Nuvola Digital, and specifically, we're going to go over their new reward dashboard. So I'm going to share with you what it currently looks like and what it is potentially going to look like in the future. So a little bit of, latest updates / news. So guys, comment down below if you got something out of this. Smash the like button and comment down below as well if you own more hardware wallets than the Moose. Guys, I've been tripping over these. Look at this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, absolute addict. 10, 11, 12. Like more than the disciples, dude. Dude, the Moose been getting loose. I don't even know where all my funds are. They're spread across every continent. So guys, comment down below if you own any more hardware wallets than the Moose. So guys, NVL. NVL is a DePIN aggregator. In short, what they do is they partner with other projects and they help out with their running of nodes. So their hardware, software side of things. So it kind of alleviates some of the stress. So let's say you're building a big gaming project like your cornucopias. Well, you have to run nodes. So NVL kind of comes in, they help run the nodes. And what you can do as an investor is pick up NVL tokens, stake it to their dashboard, which we'll be talking about, and earn some passive income. So NVL is going to be doing that. That's what they do. They're a DePIN aggregator, and they've already secured a bunch of partnerships. So Nuvola is the gateway to a global rewards-based economy for the people, by the people. So democratizing decentralized physical infrastructure. DePIN. So yeah, that's basically it, what they are. So guys, even taking a look here, I guess we could even take a look at that. So our mission is to break down barriers through our innovative crowd share model, democratizing access to the rewards of decentralized infrastructure, empowering blah, blah, blah. So guys, instead of you having to run nodes, trying to, buy the computer, set it up, make sure it's efficient, understand code, NVL does that for you. So if you want to get exposure to, let's say, what would be a good one? Iagon, Cornucopias, World Mobile. If you're trying to run nodes and do all that, that's cool. Go ahead. But if you don't have the money and if you just want to get exposure, you can pick up some NVL. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, but I personally have decided in many ways to just pick up NVL and stake it. So I'm going to share with you what that looks like a little bit. Actually, if we head over, we can probably get there this route. Guys, head over to the link tree. Yes, I do sell you stuff through this. It's to help support the channel. We put a lot of time and effort into these videos, finding out the right categories, me prepping it. Moose does it all, man. Look, I'm changing camera angles, getting loose, dude. Gives me a headache. So guys, head over to the link tree and go under staking. There you will get a direct link to the Nuvola staking dashboard. When it's updated, I will update it for you. So you can use it as a guide throughout your crypto journey, if you will. So as you can see here, I've done videos on it, how to stake. So if you want, guys, head over to the YouTube, type in, for example, NVL staking. And you will have videos how to stake NVL. I have interviews with the CEO, so the Moose gets loose more often than not. So guys, look at this. So based on my rewards, it's not a lot yet. I don't have a lot of NVL, but as I grow my bag, my rewards will get better. And as NVL grows and gains more partnerships, I will be earning passive income with more tokens. So already right now, it's only been a few months. I'm already earning Iagon. I'm getting Kopi. I'm getting USDM. So I like seeing this. And the earlier you get in, and that's also not even taking account for the token appreciation price of NVL. Right now, I think it's really low. A lot of projects that are in crypto right now, they haven't even had the opportunity to experience a bull run. So with NVL, you're talking about a healthy bull run. This thing could literally do a 50x. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Not just the rewards that you're going to be earning, but owning a token that you can then earn rewards. So based on what NVL makes, they distribute 50% of the rewards. So it's worth staking as well, because people that don't stake, they're forfeiting the rewards for the people that are. So just keep that in mind as well. So as we're going through this is what I wanted to get into. So you guys have seen this dashboard, not this one. It's the Moose doing right here. The NVL rewards portfolio dashboard. Guys, this looks okay, not great. But what is happening in the near future is going to be this. So they posted September 16th, almost ready. And look at this. I think this is going to be awesome. So here you can see dashboard, my rewards, my stakes. So what NVL is building is big, and things will get better, right? It's not just like getting into crypto now. You're going to experience it much differently in the future. So that's why you need to create a vision. You need to create a vision. You got to be subscribed to Crypto Moose, and I help you curate this in a way. So for those of you that got into Meld early, this was ISPO. This was before they even really announced that they were going to be a layer 1 blockchain. The Moose saw this. So just keep that in mind. Like, the Moose can be right sometimes. So here you got stake supply, revenue model 1 to 8, estimate APR. Guys, this is really cool. So I think that going forward with NVL, you're going to see a lot of, I guess you could say, a lot of innovative features. You're going to see things looking good. You're going to see new products. The guys that are building this are serious. So I've met them. And if you guys want, you could check out my interview with Raul, CEO. But their team's really kind, very nice. And these guys aren't playing around. Even the way the tokens have been distributed, I think people that got in the ISPO, I missed it, but they've earned a lot. So if you got into the ISPO, you'd be crushing it right now. And the team, they have to wait to get their rewards from what I understand. So they're going to be building. They have a long-term vision. Look at the rewards here. So active stakes. I'm just curious. When this comes out, I'm going to let you guys know. So it's almost here. Guys, comment down below on a scale of 1 to a loose moose. How loose is this looking? I think it's looking pretty sweet. So this is an example of current rewards. So you've got Iagon, Minutes Network, Cornucopias, World Mobile, OrcFact, Cerberus. So you're going to be earning these rewards, at least some of them right now, and even more in the near future. So guys, follow Nuvola Digital. Okay, so Nuvola Digital follows the Moose, which is pretty cool. So, I mean, yeah, I'm trying to flex a little bit. I mean, I got to get this channel booming. But guys, comment down below. Was this exciting? I'm just really excited about this. I love everything crypto. In terms of investing, it makes sense. This is kind of like finding out about a new way in which you can participate in an initial stake pool offering. I just think that this innovation is going to really max out your potential, and it keeps it easy, right? It's really fun. So guys, head over to Linktree, pick up a hardware wallet if you want, but currently use this link right here under staking and delegation. I'm going to update the link once the new dashboard is out if I have to. So guys, we'll see you in the next one, and have a good day.